100. 50.
Air-to-air refueling is a big enhancer, so that gives the receiving units either the opportunity to have more loadout with them or to extend their mission duration. And of course, if you're policing, that takes some time, and then they want to extend their station time to the max extent, and then therefore they need the tankers. There are multiple other NATO exercises which are conducted year by year, so that's just a regular training environment we are participating right now in, and it's not in relation to any conflict in the world. So we are somewhere in an area supporting any air-to-air assets which require fuel. That might be today in Norwegian for cold response. The next day it might be air policing in Baltikum, where we also conduct air-to-air refueling with the assets to support these kind of missions.
My job is to provide receivers with fuel. There are two possible ways to provide receivers with fuel on this aircraft. We have the hose and drogue system underneath the wing, and we have the boom underneath the tail. Today's mission, we provide support for the cold response exercise. Together with our allied partners, we're doing this exercise to maintain our level of proficiency and to improve our skills. It's a multinational exercise. We as MRTT are a multinational unit as well. Today we had a couple of F-35 receivers, and the job was to give them fuel for their mission in the theater.